The way she's been using money has been at the heart of a lot of the questions, but today they also talked about the man she hired as magistrate has had on the bench in her courthouse for a number of years, and apparently he shouldn't have been there. An important admission in the morning session, as Judge James said that she withheld for as much as 6 months at one point regular monthly payments to the city of Inkster as required by court rules. The two sides at the time were battling over how certain court employees should be paid and if budgeting changes, as voted on by the city council, should be instituted. David Jones told us back in February that he represented the city in the dispute.
They have had a constant problem where the 22nd District Court has been slow, as much as 6 months behind in transferring that revenue that the court collects and holds in trust for the city over to the city general fund.
On trips to legal conferences taken by Judge James in 2 instances, evidence shows that she used her Sky Miles earned on previous travel to pay for her airfare. To Berkeley, California, in one instance, the airline charge was
32,500 miles, $7.50.
Yes, $7.50 out of her pocket. She told the city airfare should be almost $500. It appears she kept the difference without explanation. Even when state court officials notified Judge James in writing way back in 2002 that her longtime magistrate, Jeff Bowditch, actually lived outside the city of Inkster, and he wasn't qualified to be magistrate in the city. Well, James kept him on board for nearly 2 decades. Again, she had to admit this afternoon that the evidence against her was irrefutable.
Yes, this letter indicates that the state court administrator revoked his previously approved order. Yes.
I've spoken to attorney Jeff Bowditch. Yes, he has a law degree. He was qualified to sit on the bench on the legal side, but the fact that he didn't live in Inkster was the main problem. The state knew it. They told James. She kept him anyway. Just one of the charges that apparently continue to pile up against Judge Sylvia James. Reporting live at the courthouse in Dearborn Heights, Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.